In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a navigation menu on Shopify. Let's start right from your Shopify admin dashboard. After you log in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Content and click on it. When you do that, it will expand and show more options underneath. From those options, choose Menus. This is where you'll manage all of the navigation menus for your store. To create a brand new menu from scratch, go to the top right corner and click Create Menu. This will open the menu editor. At the top, give your navigation menu a clear name, something that helps you recognize where it will be used, like main menu or footer menu. Now let's add your first menu item. Click Add Menu Item. You'll see two fields appear, Label and Link. In the label field, type the name you want customers to see, for example, Shop, About, or Contact. Then click in the link field. A drop-down will appear with different options from your store, such as collections, products, pages, or blog posts. Choose where you want this item to point to, or paste in a specific URL if you already have one. When you're happy with it, confirm by clicking the check icon next to the link field. To add more items, just click Add Menu Item again and repeat the same process. Set the label, choose or paste the link, and confirm. Continue doing this for every item you want to appear in your navigation. If you'd like to create drop-down menus, move your mouse over the two vertical dots to the left of a menu item. Click and drag that item so it sits underneath and slightly to the right of another item. When you see a blue indented line, drop it there. That means it's now nested as a child item and will appear in a drop-down under the main item. If you want to remove it from the drop-down, drag it back to the left until the blue line is aligned with the other main items. When you're done organizing, click Save, either near the search bar at the top or at the bottom right of the page. Next, you need to connect this menu to your online store. In the left sidebar, click Online Store. At the top, you'll see your current theme. Click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel and select your header section. In the header settings, find the Menu option and click the Select button next to it. Choose the menu you just created. You'll immediately see your new navigation appear in the header preview. You can also adjust the menu type using the drop-down next to Menu Type, where you can choose between options such as drop-down, mega menu, or drawer, depending on what your theme supports. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save in the top right corner. Your new navigation menu is now live and ready for your customers to use.